इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का सीक्रेट क्या है? Today you will learn what is pronunciation, why it is important. Imagine you say a correct word but with wrong sound. If your goal is to improve your English pronunciation, but you have no idea where to get started, then this is the perfect pronunciation lesson for you. Do people ask you to repeat your English again and again? Don't worry. From today, we will fix your pronunciation step by step. Hello everyone, my name is Nigam and I am your friend. And I am from a small village. I know how it feels when you try to speak English, but people don't understand you. I also faced this problem. My words were correct, but my pronunciation was not clear. But when I started learning pronunciations step by step, everything changed. So, today is day 1 of our 30 days pronunciation challenge, and we will start from the basic. Today, you will learn what is pronunciation, why it is important, and how to start speaking clearly from day 1. Now, let's understand something very important. What is pronunciation? Pronunciation means how you say a word, not just what you say, but how you say it. This is the real game. Let me explain in a very simple way. Imagine you say a correct word, but with wrong sound. People may not understand you. So, English is not just about spelling, it is about sound. Simple real life examples I am showing you. Look at these two words. Okay? You watch this carefully. Pain. Pain. No, tell me, spelling थोड़ा similar लगता है ना? But pronunciation is completely different. Pain. Pain. Short sound, pain. Long sound, pain. Why this matters? If you say, give me a pen, but you pronounce it like a pain, then meaning change. पेन लिखने वाला, पेन जो दर्द होता है. So instead of asking for a pain, you are asking for dard. You don't say, give me a tablet of pain. उसे मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा है उसके लिए दवाई दो. And you say, I feel headache. Give me painkiller. In English, one spelling equal to one sound. Same letter can make different sound. That's why pronunciation is important. Break it down. Let me show you easy trick. Let's break the sound. Pain. P plus A plus N. Sound pain. Pain. P plus A I plus N. Sound pain. I makes long sound. E. Now repeat after me. Pain. This is short form. Pain. No long form. Pain. 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 Feel the difference in your mouth. इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का सीक्रेट क्या है? Don't read, listen carefully. Don't guess, practice. Because pronunciation is not memory, it is muscles training. Now tell me, which one was difficult for you? Pain or pain? Many students think grammar is important. Yes, grammar is important. But pronunciation is equally important. Because if you people don't understand your words, your English will not be effective. Think about that. Now, listen carefully. This is the real secret of good English pronunciation. In English, every word has a sound pattern. That means words are not spoken exactly how they are written. Yes, स्पेलिंग अलग अलग होता है, साउंड अलग अलग होता है. Number 1, some letters are silent. In English, many letters are silent. They are written but not spoken. Let me show you for examples. Knife, knife. K is silent. Say knife. Okay. Honest, honest. Say honest. H is silent. Walk, walk. Say walk. Some people say I am walking. No, I am walking. So don't try to speak every letter. In every English word, one part is strong. That part is called stress. We speak it louder and clear. For examples, table. Stressed on ta. Yes, say towel. Stressed is ta, ta. Doctor. Stressed on dog. Say it with energy. Table, table. Doctor, doctor. Some sounds are weak, means soft. Some sounds are very soft, almost hidden. Especially small words like to, of, for, a, the. Before I explain for examples, I eat grapes, not grapes. This is grapes. And this is sweet. And I like it. Because some grapes is sour. I don't like that. Tell me in the comment, do you want to improve your pronunciation? And how is your pronunciation? Good, weak, strong, better? Tell me in the comment. Let me show you 4 examples. I want to go 1 to strong. 1 to strong and 1 to this is incorrect. Wanna. This is soft and natural. 1 cup of tea. Of. This is strong. Kapati. Kapati. Soft sound. Kapati. Big mistakes. Most students read English like Hindi. In हिंदी जो लिखना है वही बोलते हैं. In English जो लिखा है वो सेम नहीं बोलते. For examples, comfortable. Every student say that comfortable, but this is not comfortable. This is comfortable, 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 comfortable. Let me show you simple tricks. Don't read English. Listen and copy. Focus on sound, not spelling. Train your ears or mouth. Train your ears and mouth. Now it's time for practice. And trust me, this is where your real improvement starts. In English, a small sound change equal to big meaning change. So today we will train your ears and your mouth. Step 1. Understand the sound different. Listen carefully. Cat, cat. A sound. Mouth open. Bat, bat. Same sound, only first letter change. Only one letter change, but sound also change slightly. Put, put. Short, you sound like a oo. But, but. B-U-T, but. Different. You sound like a O. Put and but look similar, but sound is different. Many students say both words same. P-U-T, put. B-U-T, but. No. But in real English, put. P-U-T, put. B-U-T, but. You sound like a, but. This small difference makes your English sound natural. Let's learn more pairs. Sip, short sound. S-I-S-H-I-P, sip. Short sound. S-S-E-E-P, seep. Long sound. Seep. L-I-V-E, live. L-I-V-E, live. This is short sound. L-E-A-V-E, live. Live. This is long sound. F-U-L-L, full. Full. This is short sound. F-O-O-L, full. Full. This is long sound. Short sound versus long sound, very important. I will say 2 words. You tell me which is long. Sip, sip. Live, live. Full, full. Pause the video and try yourself. Now repeat after me. Round 1. Slow practice. Cat, cat, bat, bat, put, put, but, but. Round 2. Sound focus. SHIP, sheep. SHEEP, sheep. LIVE, live. LEAVE, leave. FULL, full. FOOL, fool. Round 3. Sentence practice. I have a cat. I have a cat. He hit the bat. He hit the bat. I will put it here. I will put it here. But I am busy. But I am busy. The ship is big. The ship is big. He is a fool. He is a fool. Speak slowly, clearly, and don't rush. Fluent speakers don't speak fast. They speak clear. So focus on correct sound, not speed. Now tell me which one was difficult. Comment below. I am practicing daily. This is just day 1. If you continue of 30 days, your English will sound completely different. So get ready. Day 2 is going to be even more powerful. Thank you.